Alright folks, we're at the front of the shores of Lake Geneva, and there's the kind of big fountain. We just got a photo took there. I thought I'll start with a picture of Jacqueline right in front of it. Nice man just took a photo of us there. The fountain, I can't remember the exact origins of it, but I think it started off as a temporary thing and the locals just liked it so much it kind of became a permanent thing and a bit of a tourist attraction. There's a kind of boats and a kind of ferry, and they've got a wee Ferris wheel there. This is the kind of front. Now I was thinking going down that way, but I think down there might be more interesting, so why don't we go down that way, honey? You can see the water's lovely here as well, that kind of blue tint. Mountains in the background. It's not as picturesque as Montreux or Vevey, I would say, but it's early days. We're just at this one wee bit. There's another ferry there. Geneva to Mont Blanc. So. In a river. It's a beautiful day, and it's a really nice city for what we've seen so far. As I said in the previous video, we're only here for a wee while, so it's going to be limited, but we'll make the most of it. I think we'll mostly be down the front, kind of looking about. We walk back and forth and then I walk through the city. Not sure how accessible this city is, but the front seems okay. There's a few bits coming here through the bus stop, it seemed a bit much. Not a bit much, but a wee bit awkward. Oh, could feel the bridge moving a wee bit there. Didn't realise that. Alright. Felt like the bridge was moving there. Aye. I don't know if you can see it folks, the bridge is moving a wee bit. Do you feel that? No, I felt it kind of bouncing a wee bit. Aye, it's not bouncing. It's different wee sections, I think. Didn't expect that. I think it's just the walkway that's like that. The road's solid looking. Next time we need to get one of them boats. We'll do it next time, honey. The wee kind of boats, and we'll get a wee cruise somewhere. We had wanted to go on a wee cruise over to Yvonne, but the time I got them ready, thought, you know what, we'll just take Chaplin's World, so that's what we did, which I really enjoyed. But next time we'll go to Yvonne. You can see there's a wee island there as well, which looks quite nice. I didn't read anything about that, so I'll need to look it up when we get home. I don't know if this Ferris wheel's like a temporary thing or not, if it's permanent. But there's a few wee market stalls in it, so I don't know. I bet it costs a fortune to go on it. The last time I was a Ferris wheel was in Blackpool, and we'd just been up the tower in Blackpool and I was fine, not a problem, but on the Ferris wheel I had to take off the ground and I was starting to get a bit nervous. But I feel I've kind of sort of conquered my fear of heights a wee bit, so I don't know. Maybe I'll be alright, but I like to try it sometime, but not today. I've not got time for a Ferris wheel. There's a wee boat coming out. Must be a tourist hotspot here. What's up, honey? Is that the what? Aye. There's a sign for Rolex there, you can see it on the top of the building. Aye. What's that? Jacqueline's asking if that's where the Rolex watches are made. I don't think so, I think it's just a shop. You know what I mean? I really don't know. If anybody knows, write in the comments. Thanks. Just look. We'll need to get some fridge magnets. I like to get fridge magnets wherever we go. Just a nice wee reminder of when you've been different places. It's always handy to have. When you think of places, you know, like, oh, where'd I go? It's a good wee reminder. Maybe one day I'll do a wee video showing all the different fridge magnets for where we've been. Quite a lot of places. 6 Swiss francs for one, or 4 for 20. Definitely a better deal than Montreux. Montreux I paid a fortune for some of my magnets. Particularly the Queen ones. I say Queen ones, it's more Freddie Mercury ones. They seem to leave the band out of the other fridge magnets. So I don't think it's quite fair. But understandable, I mean they've got a Freddie statue there, so that's quite a tourist attraction in itself. So I suppose it's a way of advertising that. There's the wee kind of touristy train. I've only done this once and it was in Lake Geneva. It was pretty good. We enjoyed it. I had to leave a wheelchair at the place, but it was fine. More fridge magnets. I'm actually quite shocked at the prices here. It's a lot. The fridge magnets are a lot cheaper than what you'd pay in Montreux or Vevey, which is surprising, you know. There's a wee pavilion there. Anyway folks, I thought I'll end this video with a wee view of the fountain. Some flowers along there, but compared to Montreux, it's a bit shit. There we go, there's the fountain. Anyway folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please like, subscribe and share. It really help me out, help build the channel up. Just try to do my best to get as many viewers as possible. Make my channel a success, and I'll show you more places in the future. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Thanks again. Please like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye.